waiting to get on the train. He got the locomotive in his hand. Look at that little boy. This here is the Sewell Company. Used to be a manufacturing company here in Bremen, Georgia. Here's got a lot of fade to it. Got that picture there. Like the trucks. It's like they used to make arrow shirts at one time here. University of West Georgia. Still, the factory is still standing there. Sewell Manufacturing Company. I think it's a clothing outlet now. It's like downtown Bremen, Georgia. Since we're waiting for a train, thought she'd be interested in that. In the manufacturing process there back in the day when Sewell had their factory going here. Back in the day when there's a lot of textile industries here in Georgia. Before they moved them all to Mexico and other places. See what you think. Bremen train station.